Hello students, today we are going to discuss the numerical problems related to the chapter current and electricity covering Ohm's law and resistance topics. First of all, in your books, under the exercise 8a, there is a graph based question, 18th question, that this figure shows IV curves for two resistors and identify the ohmic and non-ohmic resistors. Give a reason for your answer. So these kinds of graphs have been given. So as I've told you that ohmic resistors always have a straight line graph in V versus I or I versus V graphs. So wherever you get a straight line, that will be an ohmic resistor, and a curved line shows a non-ohmic resistor, right? So B is a ohmic resistor. Reason is that graph is a straight line, and A will be a non-ohmic resistor. Reason being graph is a curved line. Any kind of curve IV graph depicts a non-ohmic resistor. Next comes the numericals. In the numerical problems, number 1, first numerical. In a conductor, 6.25 into 10 to the power 16 electrons flow from end A to end B in 2 seconds. Find the current flowing through the conductor. So in this numerical, n's value is given, number of electrons crossing the wire from A to B, time in which they are moving is given 2 seconds, and the charge on one electron has been given, otherwise it should be learnt by you. And he is asking us what is the current. So problem is to find out current. Now the current's formula is Q upon T, but in this numerical problem, Q, the charge, is not given, but indirectly we have been given number of electrons and the electronic charge. Using the formula that Q is equals to Ne, we'll substitute Ne here, so current will be Ne upon T. Substituting all the values and calculating, we will get 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere as the answer. And we can also write it as 5 milliampere. Next numerical is current of 1.6 milliampere is given, and charge on an electron is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 negative charge. Find the number of electrons that will pass each second through the cross section of that conductor. Now see, in this problem, Q is equals to Ne, again we will be using. I is equals to Q by T. N is known, N is unknown, E is known, I is known, right? And each second, it means time is 1 second given. So substituting all the values, I is equals to Ne upon T, so N will be I into T divided by E. After substituting the values of current, now the current has to be converted into amperes because it was given in milliampere. Time is 1 second, and electronic charge has been given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So here we will get the answer 10 to the power 16 because it's a pure number, it has no units. Next numerical is find the potential difference. Potential difference V is unknown. Required to flow a current. Current is given 200 milliampere, and the resistance of the wire is given 20 ohm. So this is a problem of Ohm's law, in which I know I and R, but V is unknown. So by Ohm's law, V is equals to IR, but I has to be substituted after converting into amperes. So it will be 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 20. Calculating, I will get 4000 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 volts. Now positive 3 and minus 3, so it will be only 4 volt. Next numerical you will solve yourself. I'll just tell you, current is given, electric bulb draws this much of current, I has been given, 6 volt potential difference is given, and the resistance of the filament of the bulb is asked. So only you have to follow the formula V is equals to IR, in which R will be equal to V upon I. So simply this formula is to be used and you will calculate the values. So do it yourself, very easy. Answer has been given in the books. Answer is 5 ohm. So substitute the correct values to get the answer. Next is a car bulb connected to a 12 volt battery draws 2 ampere current while glowing. What is the resistance of the filament of the bulb? Again a simple question. V is given, I is given. So in the glowing condition, resistance will be V upon I, that is 6 ohm. And he is asking, will the resistance be more or less when the bulb is not glowing? So when the bulb does not glow, the temperature falls. So that's why the resistance also falls. So resistance will be less when the bulb is not glowing. Next problem is calculate the current flowing through the wire of resistance 5 ohm connected to a battery of potential difference 3 volt. So now again Ohm's law has been used. Ohm's law will be used like I is equals to V upon R. So here this formula will be used in problem number 6. V is given 3 and R is given 5. So answer will be 0.6 ampere. 0.6 ampere will be the answer.